Children, I am going to continue with the chapter that I had taken earlier. Which was the chapter? Yes, it was Visit to Neighborhood Places. I am going to continue today with that. I hope you remember the people who live in an area and the places around it together make up the neighborhood. We had also seen about the importance of a market and hospital in the last class. Today, let us continue with the other important areas. Children, take page number 87. A police station is the office of the local police. Yes, what is a police station? It is the office of the local police. The police help to keep our neighborhood safe from thieves and robbers. Yes, because of the police, we are able to have a beautiful sleep at night because we know that we are safe from thieves and robbers. The policemen do an excellent job. They make sure that people follow rules and live peacefully with each other. Yes, they make sure that the people follow rules. You might have seen policemen standing near the traffic signals. They help in maintaining a very peaceful atmosphere there. Everyone should follow traffic rules properly. When we follow the traffic rules properly, we will not put others' life in danger. We should not be careless while driving. Others are also equally important. Others' lives are also equally important. So it is our duty to take care of others too. We have a social commitment too. These policemen help in maintaining a very peaceful atmosphere. Okay, children. Now we are going to see about a bank. Children, you can see the image of a bank behind. We keep our money and jewelry in the bank. You all know, right, that we keep our money and jewelry in the bank. The savings are kept in the bank. Banks keep them safe for us. Banks also lend money to people to buy a house, a car, or to study. So it also gives loans to people to buy a house, car, or to study. Many neighborhoods have an ATM. What is ATM? It is given next. An ATM is an automatic machine that allows people to take money out from the bank anytime. You all might have seen an ATM, right, children? You might have gone with your parents and they might have collected money from an ATM machine. I am very much sure all of you know about an ATM machine. So here they are telling us that an ATM machine helps us to get the money easily. And in many neighborhoods, ATM machines are there. Maybe when I'm talking to you now, you might be remembering the ATM machine near your house. Children, now I'm going to tell you about a very beautiful place and I'm sure you all love to go to that place. Yes, which place is that? Yes, yeah, it is a park. You have swings, slides and many other things in the park. Do you remember the park in our school? You might all have enjoyed beautiful rides, isn't it? Now, we also have parks in our neighborhood. People like to walk, jog or run and also do exercises in the park. The park is a place where people love to sit with their friends and talk, isn't it? Children love to play in the park. So park is really a very beautiful place. We all miss it now, right? We go to the park to play and to exercise. Some people go there to meet and talk to others. So park is a place where people enjoy. Parks are big places with plants and trees where people enjoy fresh air. Not only people enjoy to talk, but they also enjoy fresh air in the park. Some parks also have swings and slides for children to play. Yes, you can see in the picture also, children, some swings and slides are there for the children to play. And here the child is enjoying, the children are very much enjoying, isn't it? Park is a wonderful place to play. I am sure every one of you loves to play in the park, isn't it? You might be missing the beautiful parks around you. Children, here you are seeing a firefighter. How does a firefighter help us? He helps in putting out the fire whenever a building or a house catches fire. Let's read into it. If a building in our neighborhood catches fire, we call the fire station. So fire station is the place where we call whenever a building in our neighborhood catches fire. People who put out fires are called firefighters. They come in a fire engine. You might also have heard the sound coming out from a fire engine. If you are really close to a place where there was a fire and the firefighters are coming, then you're sure to hear the sound of the fire engine from far itself. I'm sure many of you might have heard it. About post office, we had learned in the earlier chapters also. We go to the neighborhood post office when we want to send letters to our friends and relatives. Nowadays, it's not that common, but post office was a place where it was used a lot more than what it is used nowadays. So when we want to send letters to our relatives, letters to our friends, we go to the post office to put it. You might have seen the red post box, isn't it, children? It is very common. In many places it is still there, and post office also is there. We can go to the post office, we can send parcels, we can send couriers, etc. We buy stamps at a post office. We also send money and parcels by post. Yes, money order. We can send money to whomever we want to send through the post office. Also, we can send parcels to our loved ones. So children, post office plays a very important role. Nowadays, most of the people use the mobile, isn't it? We talk to our relatives and friends. Nowadays, sending letters and all have become very rare, isn't it, children? Our neighborhood is where we live. We must keep our neighborhood clean. Yes, cleanliness is next to godliness. We must always keep our neighborhood clean. We must not throw garbage on the streets. The streets should be kept neat and tidy. We must not throw garbage. We must not think that others are putting. Let us first stop doing that. Then we can tell about others, but not before we stop doing it. Why should we complain about others? Let us do our work towards the society. It will really improve everything. We can also plant trees to make our neighborhood green and beautiful. Trees, as I told you, are a very important part, isn't it, children? Trees can be planted, then the neighborhood can be made very beautiful, clean, neat and tidy. And you will love to stay in such an atmosphere. It will give us a lot of shade, isn't it? And a lot of other benefits are also there about trees. In the last chapter, Nature Walk, we discussed about it. So this is how the neighborhood plays a very vital role. And all of you might have enjoyed this chapter. Isn't it, children? I'm sure about it. With this, I come to the end of part 2 of our lesson. In the last video, I had taken the first part of this chapter, and now I am concluding this chapter. Hope you all understood it. Children, do read the chapter without fail. Okay, children? With this, I come to the end of this lesson. I hope my children are all staying healthy and safe. God bless you all. Hoping to meet you very soon. Bye, children. Bye for now.